after so much debate, yung climate change, pipirmahan ko. It was a unanimous vote except for one or two. Ako yung isa which was arguing about if it's a binding treaty, you have to have a sanction. But it's binding. If you read the treaty, it's binding, but there is no sanction. Contrary to the popular belief, we read the contract word for word. Yung pera na to be culled sa mga rich industrial countries, hanggang doon lang. And there is no binding agreement that they have to pay this and that. At yung sabi nila na they're forced to say that sali na tayo dito kung magkaroon tayo ng damage, makakolekta ka dyan sa 200 million revolving fund o 300 billion or million. But whatever it is, the industrial countries have been known not to honor financial obligation, especially America. It has not paid its dues to the United Nations. So it's more or less a problem of perception. But yes, I presented the strongest argument against it, although later bumigay siya. Ako naman, because it's a cabinet decision, I'll go along with it and sign it. As I promised you, I will not solve this problem alone. I will give it, place it on the table, give the cabinet members, the whole of the cabinet to vote. Kasi ako ngayon, hindi talaga ako, that's why it took us several hours to finish the cabinet meeting, only to dwell on that particular issue. But hopefully, I said, with the decision, which I myself decided to be decided by the committee as a whole. So, walang problema ho yan. Apurado lang kasi yung iba. So, when they were blubbering their mouth about not my signing, I did not have a single even one-page paper before in front of me. So what do I sign? What do I study? When I said that I was not keen to it, I was only expressing my expression.